crap. I thought that was gonna be cooler. Well, guys. Oh, someone is a zombie. Hello. And it's super trippy to be standing next to this window. It is early in the morning. You know what's funny? So there's this little small drip that's happening in my room, and I'm like, oh, I'm fine. I'm totally gonna miss it every time because I know where it is. Nope, I actually managed to hit it every time, which is weird because I take a different path. So you'd think Sockham's razor would say that one time I wouldn't get my feet wet. But no. I am going to put all the details of my makeup on. I actually don't have hairspray, so definitely need to fix this wee curl. Okay, now my makeup is on. And I need to get, pretty sure I just stepped it in again. Oh my gosh. Cool. All right, we're headed to our table now, and our guy's probably like, why are you 8,000 minutes late? He just did Luigi. So one of these has a golden ticket?
Well, no.
Mystery ticket.
I already scratched it off, did not win, so.
They can't call it a golden ticket. Yeah. You would like the almond one, right?
Yes.
The original
chocolate.
It's
Thank you so much, dude. Wait, this needs to focus on you.
And one of the one and only special guest was actually your voice teacher, Ellie Ray Hennessy.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah. And I told her how much that the protege has become, the student has become the teacher and stuff. And
she's really great.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
We love you, Ellie Ray.
She was everything that the
I
Oh
forgot. Come on, really? You know what's funny is, y'all are here. My brother's in Arizona right now. This is from my favorite science museum ever.
Aww.
It's a Mickey in a rocket ship.
It's Mickey on Space Mountain.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Right, it is Space. I would have known. I would have known. You beat me to it by like 0.5 seconds.
Nora, where do you find this stuff?
Oh wait, I can't. That's him.
Let's go get him to sign it.
Okay, bye.
No, it's a shower curtain. It's just a bunch of photos.
Okay, oh sorry.
Galactic mix. See how notice everything's got a theme except for this.
You forget about.
I'm gonna put this on right
That's
now.
actually true. He doesn't have a
My pants
belt.
have been falling down all day.
Practical gifts, thoughtful gifts. What next, Nora? What the frick next?
Honeymoon?
Okay.
I'm just saying.
All right.
I have a vacation home in the Keys, which has a
Any real estate in Hawaii?
bid.
Alani.
How do you think I feel? I wanted
I know.
videos of people going there. It's like, oh, where do you go?
Well, I've never been either, so I shouldn't be. That's perfect, Gabe.
I
That's
looked
actually
for something that was comfortable and also flexible for performing. So
that's actually a really good belt.
I really
that
like it.
clip.
Thank you. What can I say except?
You're welcome.
Hey, that's awesome. I should have known you would get me something as basic as bubble gum.
Hey, Basic is over here.
Oh yeah.
Pachow! Thank you so much, Nora. What the frick?
$400 for that.
How do I turn it off?
We're about to FaceTime Christian, or I don't know, Android. Never mind. We're not FaceTiming him. We're just video chatting.
Oh yeah, where's that one was really good. Oh wow. Where'd your hair go? Why'd you cut all your hair off?
He took
This pen is much better.
a large, dumb fabric, comfy, plushy hoodie, screw neck shirt, words, and the last of the blue, dumb fabric hats. There it is. And now you can match with Christian because he has the same sweatshirt.
Thank you.
Bye! Thank you! Okay guys, so I'm a little bit nervous, but this is my first panel at MomoCon. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna start off with a nice, easy joke that I'm the voice of Master Chief if they ask about our credits. And if everybody laughs, we're gonna have a good time. If everybody doesn't, just gonna go downhill from there. You wanna shout out your YouTube real quick for the people of the world? Wait, it's not focusing, what the heck? All right, hit us with the truth.
Hello, my name is Trey, and I make a YouTube channel called Supreme Cable, and you guys should really check it out.
Woohoo! Okay guys, Now you have to check it out. Oh my gosh, yeah, let's see. Hold on, I'm just videotaping this little worm that someone gave me. It actually looks like a seahorse. So this sketch, okay, if anybody was here during this panel, you will understand what's happening. We're making a muffin show. It's happening. And apparently the first sketch has been drawn. We have Cake Queen, okay, big fan, and Chocolate Muffin. And by who?
Luca Art.
Guys, everybody go follow Luca_art_626. It's very, very cute.
So this is a churro dragon.
Oh, and we got the churro dragon. This is one of the main villains of the show. I love it. That's incredible.
At least, like, one of the villains we, like, win through, like, friendship and kindness and understanding.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we'll have a turn where you think it's a villain, but they're actually not a bad guy.
Yeah.
But the Muffin Man, he's gonna be pretty evil. Who gave this? Do you want your art back? If not, I'm taking it as a first design of the show.
I gotta steal her away.
Here we go.
I gotta steal her.
I have to go because I have to pee a lot. I actually finished my panel, and it went pretty well. And now I have apple juice, so I still really want to see someone fight in there. And then we're gonna go to Gabe's panel now. 2:30 is your panel, right?
Yes. I want you to get some cookies.
Yeah? Apple juice.
Okay, perfect one.
Oh, sweet. That's cool. Gabe, see? Oh.
Hello? You all hear us all right?
And it's just like
Persistence is all powerful.
This is also why other platforms are helpful, because if your YouTube gets buried, if you can like direct Twitter audience or something back at it and kind of get it back in the algorithm again. So it's always good to diversify your platforms.
Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A here. So in true us fashion, we are 10 minutes late for the thing that is only 10 minutes long. I don't think anybody actually wants to take pictures with us, but that's where we're heading to right now. And then we have a regular autograph session after that. Go Gabe! Remember to blink! Oh wait, that's not it. Look, they have a joint thing. How smart, they get an L table. Yeah, do you have a cutout? Wow!
infrared? Yeah. CO2.
Guys, the anime I was in that nobody watched, his girlfriend watched.
I know there's a-
Arcanic artistry.
I travel around to conventions and I cut things and I see who's coming and usually I'm more prepared.
This is so cool, I have no art of this thing. I have no art from this. Yeah.
Laser just because it won't be able to burn into it.
Oh my gosh. Bing Bing. This little Crash Bandicoot, it's so cute. Summer break.
Oh, don't post this on YouTube on about June 2nd.
You're gonna post the full video? Okay, I'm not gonna show the rest of the video because you guys have to go watch it. But here's the teaser. It's summer break and Bing Bing.
Hello, my YouTube is Supreme Cable.
Supreme Cable.
Yes.
Okay.
I have about 122 subscribers.
Oh, congratulations! That's amazing.
Yep. It's coming soon. It's called
What is
Summer Breaking.
Summer break-in. Okay, so you saw the beginning of it here first. By the time this video is out, his video's already out, so you can go and see it.
YouTube account?
There's a whole section of anime dolls and DVDs and books and comics.
Where's the bathroom? I have to pee so badly. I don't think I can wait anymore.
And we're here at the Smasher Pass panel. We were 5 minutes late because the elevator didn't work. But look how many people there are. Everything. Oh my gosh! Okay, before the Smasher Pass panel gets too out of hand, I'm gonna sign off so I don't get demonetized on YouTube.
Yeah. It is.
Are they?
Yeah.
make this TikTok?
Yeah, I did make it.
Dude, it's so
Yeah, I
good.
did make this TikTok.
Wait, are you looking at me now?
Yeah. Anyway, after a long and exhausting night, I'm now going back to my room. We did smash or pass past the panel, and I basically passed everybody. I'm heading to my side of the tower. We have an early morning tomorrow. Not that early, but you know, we have to be somewhere by 10 a.m. So I know tomorrow is the Who's Line panel, which is gonna be interesting. And the first thing we have is the boys have like a little concert prep thing. I'll miss my elevator. No, no. Yes. Anyway, good night. Thank you for joining me as this launches me into space. That's what it feels like. This elevator is going really fast, especially when it goes straight from the lobby to the 14th floor. Anyway, good night, and I love you all. Except for you. You know who you are. Just kidding. I farted in this one.